Unistone presents the passenger terminal building at Jodhpur Airport, Rajasthan, as its recently completed GRC Architectural Elements Project. Located in Sun City of India, this landmark project is designed by Sthapati Architects and executed in collaboration with Swadeshi Civil Infrastructure Pvt as the main contractor. This prestigious project got completed in January 2026, where total project area spans approximately 1 lakh square feet. The architectural expression begins with GRC column jacketing, where structural columns are transformed into bold, well-defined vertical elements that establish rhythm and strength across the facade. These columns seamlessly transition into carved GRC arches, which span across spaces with refined proportions and intricate detailing, adding depth, continuity, and a sense of connection throughout the structure. The vestibule for the entry gates stands as the main attraction of the project, inspired by Mewar heritage architecture and designed as a grand gateway, defined by strong proportions, layered forms, and intricate detailing. GRC carved panels also add a refined layer to the facade, introducing patterns and design enhancing depth and visual richness of project facade. The facade is further highlighted by GRC brackets and molding, introducing precision, shadow lines, and refined ornamentation. Along this firm, the lotus-shaped domes crowned with collage at the top of the building, creating a bold and iconic skyline feature that completes the architectural expression. Let's dive into the production process behind Unistone's GRC Architectural Elements. After receiving detailed design drawings from the architect, Unistone's production team begins with pattern development, converting the design into a precise physical prototype. After the pattern development, the prototypes are made using POP. Special chemicals are applied on the POP to cast master molds. The POP prototype helps to transfer complete design to molds, alongside the dimensional accuracy and detailing. Once the POP prototype are made, molds are created using materials such as fiberglass or FRP. These molds replicate the exact geometry of the pattern and are designed for repeated use during production. GRC-approved concrete mixture is sprayed into the molds and compacted to ensure uniform thickness and flexural strength. After curing, the elements are carefully demolded. Edges are trimmed, surfaces are inspected, and any finishing required is completed to achieve the final architectural product. The finished GRC elements are securely packaged using protective materials such as foam sheets, bubble wrap, and wooden pallets to avoid any damage during transportation. The packaged elements are systematically loaded onto transport vehicles and shipped to the project site with proper handling and logistics planning. Before installation, the supporting structural framework at the site is inspected. The GRC components are mounted onto the prepared framework using anchors, brackets, and approved fasteners or fixtures, while maintaining proper alignment and spacing. Then the joints are filled with paintable, exterior-grade, polymer-based hybrid silicone sealant to ensure proper sealing and a durable finish. Cleaning, joint finishing, painting, and final inspection are carried out to complete the installation. Through precision craftsmanship, advanced manufacturing, and quality installation, Unistone played a significant role in enhancing the architectural aesthetics of the new passenger terminal building at Jodhpur Airport. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.